Okay, fanatics, it is time to get this thing started. So I've got here in front of me the Verus 3 Concert Tower 3-way speaker from Aperion Audio. This thing is awesome. Now, to open this up, I'll pull out old orange. Some people have old yeller. I've got old orange. This is my trusty, tried and true knife, and when I have a big job, this is the one I go for. Now, this thing's huge, right? So I'm 6 foot tall, and man, this has got to be pushing up on 5 feet in the box. I mean, that thing is, it's big. Obviously, I have it upside down because it says up down there. The UPS was never gentle with this thing either. So let's gosh, on this side too, look at that. So we'll see how it ended up in shipping, but I'm super excited. I think I'm gonna lay her down. Let's lay her down. Open other side first. This is not the side for us. It is not light. I moved this thing down the stairs with my wife and it was heavy. All right. It's fragile. Got to keep it dry. I think I spy a second box in here, which is good, I suppose. Although, holy crap, how do I get it out of here? Frack. This is like a team lift job, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Holy. Let's just open the top of this one and see if there's a speaker in here. It didn't say not to open this part next. What is that? Oh, there's stuff. Flip the box over and reveal. Reveal. All right. I don't think my ceiling's tall enough to do that. I mean, I think you have to have like a 12-foot ceiling. This is 8, and this thing's 5 plus 5 is 10. Yeah, I don't know, man. So there are instructions here. Congratulations. Your new Aperion Verus 3 speakers are finally in your hands. Here are a few tips. Open the box, remove your contents. This is the accessory box. Okay, oh, that's really nice. That's kind of cool. Oh, snap. There's a... Holy smokes. All right, y'all. I gotta go gloveless on this. This is serious business. You got 2 boomerangs. I guess front and back. That's nice. That's real nice. And okay, these are the jumpers for the crossover. Extra empty bag. 1. Okay, these must be the ones for the floor, hardwood. 3. Come on. Ugh. And 4. All right. And this must be another jumper. Oh, no, these are screws. Screws must be for that. All right. Okay. All right. I'm down. I'm glad I'm following the instructions because I would have just dumped this thing out and I would have been wrong. I would have been incorrect. It would have been bad times for me. Okay. Open the bag. Open the velvet bag to... Okay. All right. Back and front. Oh, there's supposed to be one of those. Was there one of those? That must have been that empty bag. I bet that's what that was. I'll have to find one of those. Somewhere. All right, let's pull this out. Oh, God, I hope I'm doing this right. Wow. Okay. All right. skinny side's back, and they bow out, and this is the front side. Okay. It's going to be dark in there. Some assembly required. All right. All right, that's nice. I like the colors. Yellow, blue, purple, blue, blue. Man, you guys are getting the full treatment today. I love Aperion Audio. I've been following these guys for a while now, and their stuff just sounds so good. Price points are always nice as well. I mean, it's just hard to beat these guys. All right. All right, there's that. And okay, here's the screws. All right, so we are thusly back. All right, the back side. It goes. I don't know how it goes. Got to be pointed side down, right? And yeah, I guess it's got to be pointed side down. Take the threaded screws, the threaded screws into the feet and tighten down with the Allen key. Be careful not to over tighten. Floor spikes are optional if you have carpeted floors. All right, okay. Let's try and finger tighten this. I think we'll be taking a trip to the garage to find some Allen screws here, or wrenches. All right, that doesn't really want to go in. When in doubt, force it. Oh, that one's going. Oh yeah. It's working. Are you gonna work? Yeah, you're going to. Okay. My fingers are scratching those up as my fingernails come off on the middle. That's nice looking. That's real nice. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay. That's not tight, but it's a start. Okay, now front is bowed out to the front. I mean, this is like a, if there was a post-apocalyptic world, you take this off and you could like hone this down to a blade, turn this into a handle, and you've got like a zombie chopper, right? Oosh. Like my sound. Oosh, oosh. All right. I know that you're probably just looking at top of the box when I do this. I know. That sucks. But, stay closed. Open. Something. Damn it. Hey, what about that? No, that doesn't help any. Let's just get her done. You guys can stare at the box top. Best I can do. All right, that screws in there. Kind of. I'm going to play some Ariana Grande on these, and it's going to be so good because she's my favorite. God, my fingernails are just getting chewed off. All right. Just making sure. Oh, there it is. Snap, I was wrong. It is in here. Ha ha. Yeah, baby. Everything you need. I know this is super dark. Man, this is like exciting. You don't even get to see the speaker until you have the feet put on. Usually you got this thing all like taken apart and it's all good to go. And you know, you take it out of the box and you see everything and then you're like a million pieces to assemble it. But this is like got like reveal built in. All right, they said not to over tighten. That's pretty tight. Oh shoot, that's pretty tight too. I don't want to break it. They make me scared. They should have sent a torque wrench and the specific torque amount. Maybe that's crazy. All right. Man, I'm super excited for these. I mean, dang, I'm excited. It's pretty snug. It's pretty snug. All right. Okay. Where are my gloves at? Come on now. Where are my gloves at? Oh, there they are. Let's clean these up. Make it perfect. I don't want my fingernail juice down there in the long term. All right. So we got the feet on. And I hope you guys can see that. Front, back, screw them on. Got it. Step 1, done. Step 2, done. Well, it shows that you have this thing stood up while they're doing it. Maybe I shouldn't have laid it down, but it's too tall to do this otherwise. So I think laying it down is the right thing to do. And then now carefully turn the box over and lift it straight up and off. Remove and discard the second foam cap. That's all that's left is to carefully pull the velvet bag off to reveal your new Verus 3 tower speaker. Then you get to enjoy the true sound. All right, okay. I'm down with all those things. I'm not going to use the gloves. Sorry. You did a good job. I know you guys are probably getting motion sick from this thing on my head, but you know, guess what? It's kind of cool because I get to use my hands and film and move around. I would like to flip this underneath. Does it matter? Yeah, it matters. If it didn't weigh 2,000 pounds, it'd be easier. Okay, now let's stand her up. Ooh. She's sliding. She's sliding. All right. Still a little more sliding. That's kind of scary. Okay. All right. I feel like that was exercise. Man, I mean, look at this. That is foam, ladies and gentlemen. And there's no way I can do that in here. It's no good. It's not happening. Do I destroy the box? I hate destroying boxes. Do I lay the speaker down? I don't want to really lay the speaker down. Although I could, I suppose. But yeah, you gotta have like really high ceilings. Let's give her a look. What's going on? So I think this is the side. I would be most comfortable laying her on the side. Oh God, that's kind of scary. Okay, can I go back down a little bit? All right. Okay. It's a breech berth, ladies and gentlemen. It's not how it's supposed to be, but it's how it's got to be. Depend on the sack for protection. Ooh. All right, it only dropped a little bit. Okay, now. Come on, I don't want to mess up the reveal. That was all too good. Okay. Ooh, okay. All right. It's probably the worst position. I should move her back into the light, but you know what? Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, all in one piece. All in one piece. Look at that. All in one piece. Plugs installed. Look down there. That's a lot of foam for your protection. Oh man, I'm oiling this thing up now with my freaking paws. Oh well. Bring her into the light. Now, this is a magnetic grill, but I don't know how to get her off. I don't know. I'm kind of scared I need a plastic tool to pry with, because this thing's in there. There's no handle. All right, I won't be revealing this right now. Everything's okay, kind of dusty. That's metal. Look at that. It's like one whole piece of metal. I think I can get something in right there, but I don't want to use like something sharp or pokey. I don't know how to get that off. It's perplexing. Looks like it all survived intact from the shipping, though. I was a little worried about those punctures, but I think it's all right. Yeah, I think it's all right. Okay, that's where we're going to stop at. So, the Grand Verus Tower, Concert Tower, 3-way speaker with a humongous grill that I can't figure out how to work yet, that I got to figure out how to work. Super excited to get these going. Here's a 30-minute unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I do. And then come back, because we're going to review this thing, because I'm going to have not only this guy, but another one just like it, the matching center channel right there. I'm going to put it right there. And then on each side, the matching bookshelves. It's going to be a and the 12-inch sub from Aperion as well. So this thing is going to be freaking rocking. Looking forward to it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back and watch the full review video.